Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Flybuys. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to flybuys.co.nz. Then you can see the join icon on the right hand side next beside sign in. Just go ahead and click on join. After that, you can click on create account, which is here. If you already have a Flybuys number, you can add it here and sign in to your account. If you don't have your account, just go ahead and click on create account. Then the next step is to choose your rewind points. So there are 3 reward points. You can choose between Flybuys point to spend in the Flybuys store. Every 1 Flybuys is cost to 1 point. Get bigger fuel discounts faster with pumped fuel discounts from Flybuys. Every 4 Flybuys earned is cost to 3C off per liter up to 50 liters. And the third one is choose New World dollars to spend on grocery at New World. Every 28 Flybuys is cost to New World dollars. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the first one, and if you want to learn more about these, you can do that as well by clicking learn more. So you can see some of the description. Go ahead and read them, select this and click on confirm your choice. If you want a plastic card, you can do that. Your card is available in the mobile app. You may also request a plastic card to keep in your wallet. Just make sure to tick the box below if you want one. So go ahead and pick this and click continue. Now what you need to do is write down your details in here. Go ahead and write down your first name and your last name in this box. Write down your email address in the second box, your date of birth over here, denote your gender over here, and go ahead and write down your home address. Make sure you write down this correct, because if you don't write this correctly, this might not work. So you must see that you must write down a prefix over here, and you must write down your phone number. Make sure the phone number is correct, otherwise it will show invalid and you cannot log in. Go ahead and click continue after that, and what you need to do now is write down your username. So this is quite necessary. Go ahead and write this down, and now you must give a password. Make sure that your password is correct, and your password needs to be at least 8 characters long. Include a mix of character types and should not be too obvious. So after you've written down the password over here, you must go to the third box and rewrite your password. Make sure that the password which is written up matches the password written down below. So after this matches, you can see the tick mark over here. This means that both of the password matches. Scroll a bit down, click on yes I agree, and click on save and continue. After that, you can see that this has not worked. We should do this process once again. So go ahead and write down the password. Make sure that the password is being shown that this is strong enough, and go ahead and write down the password down below once again. Go ahead and click on I'm not a robot and click on save and continue. The next step is that you will be signed up for Flybuys. Now you can start doing business with Flybuys. So guys, this is how easy it is to sign up with Flybuys. All you need to do is enter your personal details, write down all of your details like your email address, your location, your username, your phone number, and there you go. It's this easy to sign up for Flybuys. Now you have a fully functional account. Now you can go ahead and view your profile and change your profile as you want. I hope this video about how you can sign up for Flybuys was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.